assuming that you've already received your offer letter from a US university and you're now planning to apply for your US visa. The US visa process can be actually very challenging and you would require assistance. So watch this video till the end and you would have all your questions answered. If you're planning to apply for your visa to study in the USA, you're applying for a F1 student visa. This visa allows you to stay in the US for the duration of your course with some additional time before and after your studies, which is like a buffer time. Now here is the checklist of documents you will need to apply. So first thing, you require your personal documents like passport का original copy with at least one blank page. अगर ये नहीं है तो नया passport apply कर लो पहले, फिर visa के लिए जाना. Then you require a printout of your appointment confirmation letter. You require your DS 160 का confirmation वाला page. Then you require your service fee receipt, proof of payment of the service fee receipt, and you require a signed I-20 form issued from your educational institution, जो आपकी university या college है. इसके बाद academic documents, consolidated mark sheets, consolidated memo, provisional certificate, original degree certificate if it's already issued for master students, and if you're a bachelor student, you just require your 10th and 12th standard mark sheets. अगर 9th और 11th की भी add कर दोगे बहुत अच्छा है. इसके अलावा you require your scorecards, GRE, GMAT, SATs, IELTS, TOEFL, Duolingo, etc. You require extracurricular certificates अगर आपके पास कोई है, and if you have any work experience, उसके offer letters. इसके बाद the last set of documents are your financial documents. For a US student visa, you have to show all your financial documents. जितने भी आपके liquid funds है, bank statements, fixed deposits, postal deposits, provident fund withdrawable amount, insurance surrender value, education loan sanction if you've taken a loan, and investments in equities or mutual funds if there is any. आपको ये आपके और आपके स्पॉन्सर दोनों के दिखाने पड़ेंगे. So if your parents are sponsoring your education, जो most cases में होता है, you will require their documents as well. सारी salary slips, form 16, business income tax returns, and अगर आपकी कोई agricultural income है तो आपको वो भी दिखानी पड़ेगी. You will require a certificate from your तहसीलदार. And if you have any immovable assets like a house or a plot, you need a valuation certificate for that as well. Let's dive deeper into the step-by-step application process. So first, you have to start by filling your I-20 form. आपका I-20 form आपकी university के website पे होता है. University आपको 24 hours में I-20 issue कर लेती है. Now, once you've received your I-20, you can start with your application process for your visa. So now you start by filling your DS 160 form by going to this website. Start your application by filling the DS 160 form on this website. ceac.state.gov वाली website है, उस पे जाके you select your embassy location जो यहाँ पे इंडिया होगा हमारे लिए. Enter the CAPTCHA and start an application. Make sure that you've noted down your application ID as well ताकि आप कभी भी वापस आके ये form भर सको. Enter your personal details, passport information, travel plans and contact information. Provide detail of all your intended stay, previous US travel history and your address in the USA. इसके बाद you have to enter your social media identifiers, education, work experience details and create your visa appointment and pay the visa fees on the ustraveldocs.com/in/immigration grant visa वाली website पे. इसके बाद आपको एक वीजा फी पे करनी पड़ेगी जो $185 की होती है. के बाद you pay the service fee of $350 online on this website. Now, the most important step is preparing for your visa interviews. Most people fail their US visa interview because they don't answer the correct questions. Once you've gathered all your required documents, you need to start preparing for the visa interview. Make sure that you've done at least 4 to 5 mock interviews before you're attending your actual visa interview. Tips for a successful visa interview include: the first point is be honest and confident during the interview. वीजा इंटरव्यू के पास आपकी सारी डिटेल्स है. अगर आप उससे झूठ बोलोगे वो पकड़ लेगा और आपका वीजा वही रिजेक्ट कर दे. आपको क्लियर और कंसाइज आंसर्स देने हैं. Now ensure all your financial documents show sufficient funds to cover your education expense and your living expense. Now you should know how to explain your study plans and how they align with your career goals. If you're planning to study marketing in the US और आपका previous degree mass media में है, बहुत ही easily आप इसको connect कर सकते हो. But आप पहले से plan करके रखो आप इसको कैसे connect करने वाले हो. Or for example, if you've studied CS and you're planning to study a master's in marketing, please make sure that your story aligns and you tell the visa interviewer about your internships if you've done any and your further goals on why you're doing that degree. This will be the most important thing in your interview. Be prepared to discuss your ties to your home country and your plans to return after completing your studies. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप झूठ बोलो, बट एक क्लियर इंटेंट के साथ आप एक इंटेंट यही रखो कि आप वापस पढ़ के आने वाले हो. 1-2 साल का एक्सपीरियंस लेना नॉर्मल है, बट यू मस्ट एम टू कम बैक एंड दिस विल हेल्प यू गेट योर वीज़ा successfully from the US Embassy. Now let's talk about how to fill the DS-160 form. The DS-160 form can be थोड़ा difficult, so हम उस पर बात कर लेते हैं. पहले you select your embassy location, India जो होगा जो आपके केस में. Then you start your application, fill in your personal details, name, डेट ऑफ बर्थ, नेशनैलिटी, पासपोर्ट डिटेल्स. इसमें आपका सारा डिटेल पासपोर्ट से मैच होना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल नेम और लास्ट नेम फॉर इंडियंस, आपके नेम में आपका फादर का नाम भी होगा, तो इसमें आप वो भी मेंशन करो. एंड लास्ट नेम में आप सिर्फ लास्ट नेम मेंशन करो, विच शुड मैच विथ योर पासपोर्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सम पीपल हैव 2 or 3 names in their last name in the passport, so you must mention all of that. Now after this, provide all the correct travel information, intended date of arrival, length of stay and address in the US. It is preferred that आप आपका permanent address, जैसे आप अगर student accommodation में रह रहे हो तो आप आपका ऑलरेडी जो आपने डिपॉजिट पे कर दिया है उसके बाद आप ये एड्रेस मेंशन करो, ताकि एक प्रूफ है आपके पास कि आप वहाँ रहने वाले हो. अगर आपने ये नहीं किया है और आपके कॉलेज में स्टूडेंट अकोमोडेशन है तो आप कॉलेज का एड्रेस भी दे सकते हो. एंटर कॉन्टैक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन लाइक होम एड्रेस, फोन नंबर, ईमेल एड्रेस एंड योर सोशल मीडिया प्रोफाइल्स. एंड इसके बाद यू प्रोवाइड योर फैमिली इन्फॉर्मेशन with their names and dates of birth. Enter your work, education, training information, any other kind of degree or diploma if you've had, and answer all the security questions and background questions so you can easily come back. And now review and submit your application. Then print the application page. Any assistance with your US visa, you can easily contact me. I've provided the form below in the description and our team will get in touch with you as soon as possible. Although it is a little difficult to crack the US visa interviews and we generally see a lot of rejections, specifically in the states of Punjab, Gujarat and a couple of more states, but with the correct kind of information and preparation, you can easily crack your US visa interview. Good luck for that.